Here's how you can collect $25 on tomorrow's Super Bowl. So here's how we're going to do it. Members of our community actually shared these promotions over the last couple of days. We're going to use this promotion on BetFocus. We're getting $2 for the Kansas City Chiefs to win the Super Bowl. We're also going to be using this promotion here on BetNation. We're getting $4 for the Philadelphia Eagles to win the Super Bowl. Now, what you can do is you can jump across this. These calculators are on our website, right? And we're going to punch in the numbers. So we're getting $4 for the Philadelphia Eagles to win, and there was a max bet of $25. If you see here, the promotion is max bet $25, right? So we're going to have $25 at $4 on the Philadelphia Eagles to win. We're going to get $100 back. The other promotion was we're going to get $2 for the Kansas City Chiefs to win on BetFocus, right? So the calculator here is telling us that if we have $25 on the Philadelphia Eagles at $4 to collect $100, we're then going to go and have $50 on Kansas at $2 using the promotion on BetFocus to collect $100 as well. Now, in this scenario, we've bet $25 and $50, totaling $75 out of our pocket. But regardless of who wins, as you can see here, we're going to collect $100 if Philly win or $100 if Kansas wins, which means we're guaranteeing ourselves $25 without risking a cent. Now, that is the most basic form of matched betting. Promotions like this exist everywhere. We've got another video coming this afternoon showing you how you can use PointsBet promotion to put some more free money in your pocket. But use this, $25. Enjoy.